Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel. I'm Emily, and I am so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone. Thank you for listening. Whether you're walking, working, relaxing, or studying English, we're right here with you.
Today's topic is super powerful, and honestly, it can change everything in your life.
Yes, today we're talking about, drumroll please, change your mindset, change your life.
This episode is all about how your thinking shapes your life, your goals, your English learning, your confidence, everything.
And don't worry, we're going to explain everything with simple English, slow speech, and easy stories so you can understand and follow along.
Before we start, please don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share this podcast. When you support us, we can continue making more episodes to help you learn English and feel motivated every day. Okay, let's start with a simple question. What is mindset?
Mindset means the way you think about yourself, your life, your abilities. It's like the settings inside your brain.
Yes, and there are two big types of mindset. Number 1, fixed mindset. Number 2, growth mindset.
Let's explain them in a super easy way.
A fixed mindset says, I can't do this. I'm not good at English. I will always be bad at this.
A growth mindset says, I can learn. I can improve. I'm not perfect, but I can get better every day.
See the difference? Fixed mindset stops you. Growth mindset moves you.
It's like fixed mindset closes the door, but growth mindset says, let's keep the door open and see what happens.
Yes, exactly.
Let's talk about English, because mindset is a huge part of learning a language.
Yes, when you think, I will never speak English fluently, you already lose.
But when you think, I can learn slowly, I can learn step by step, everything becomes possible.
Let me share a small story. One of my students used to say, Teacher, my brain is too old. I can't learn English.
Oh no.
But I told her, your brain is not the problem. Your mindset is the problem.
So what happened?
She changed her thinking. She said, okay, I will try. I will take small steps. She studied English for 10 minutes every day. Just 10 minutes.
And?
After 6 months, she could have a basic conversation. She could order food in English. She could talk to tourists.
Wow, amazing.
Not because she was perfect, but because she changed her mindset.
Okay, listeners, we want to give you some small mindset changes you can start today.
1. Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, say, I'm learning English.
2. Instead of, this is too hard, say, this is new.
3. Instead of, I made a mistake, say, I learned something.
4. Instead of, I give up, say, I keep going.
These small changes make a big difference, not only in English, but in life.
Let me tell a story from one of my students. His name is Leo.
Oh, I love Leo's story. Tell it.
Okay. When Leo started learning English, he said, I'm too shy. My English is terrible. He didn't want to talk. He didn't want to practice. He was afraid of making mistakes.
Very common. Many listeners probably feel the same.
Yes, but one day he decided to change his mindset. He said, I'm shy, but I will speak anyway. I make mistakes, but I will learn from them. I feel nervous, but I won't stop.
Beautiful.
Guess what happened?
Let me guess. He spoke more?
Exactly. He started small. He practiced 1 sentence a day, then 2, then 5. After a few months, he joined a speaking club.
Wow.
Now he speaks with tourists at his job. He helps customers in English. He feels proud.
See? Change your mindset, change your actions, change your life.
Okay, listeners, we want to say something very important.
Yes, listen closely. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good.
You learn faster when you make mistakes.
When you're perfect, you don't learn anything.
So please, don't be afraid. Don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel shy.
When you make a mistake, say this: "Great, now I know what to fix."
That's the mindset of a successful English learner.
Let's give listeners some easy daily habits. 1. Morning mindset sentence. Every morning say, "I am learning, I am growing."
2. English for 5 to 10 minutes. Short and simple. Small steps every day.
3. Speak out loud, even alone. Talk to yourself. Practice simple sentences.
4. Celebrate small wins. Learn one new word, celebrate. Speak one sentence, celebrate.
5. Ask better questions. Instead of, "Why am I so bad?" ask, "How can I improve today?"
These small habits create big life changes.
Alex, can we talk about confidence for a moment?
Yes. Because mindset and confidence are like best friends.
Exactly. Many English learners say, "I have no confidence," but confidence doesn't come first.
Right. Confidence comes after action.
Yes, first you take small action, then your mindset grows, then confidence appears.
It's like going to the gym. You don't wait until you're strong. You become strong because you go.
Same with English. You don't wait until you are confident, you become confident because you practice.
I love that. And here's something important. Confidence is not being perfect. Confidence is trying.
Yes, confidence is saying, "I will speak even if I make mistakes."
That mindset changes your life. It makes you braver, more open, more ready to learn.
I want to introduce one small but powerful word: yet.
Oh, yes, this one is good.
When you add yet to your sentence, everything changes. Example, "I can't speak English yet." "I don't understand this grammar yet." "I'm not good at listening yet."
This small word creates hope. It reminds you that you are learning, not finished.
You are not stuck. You are growing.
I used to do this when learning Spanish. Instead of saying, I can't talk to native speakers, I said, I can't talk to native speakers yet.
And what happened?
I talked to native speakers. Slowly, but I did it.
This mindset keeps you moving forward. Let's talk about real-life moments when your mindset is tested. Situation 1. You don't understand a native speaker. Old mindset: "I'm stupid." New mindset: "This is good practice. I'll try again." Situation 2. You forget a word. Old mindset: "I'm terrible." New mindset: "No problem. Everyone forgets words, even native speakers." Situation 3. Someone speaks too fast. Old mindset: "I will never understand English." New mindset: "They speak fast. That's okay. I can ask them to repeat." Situation 4. You make a grammar mistake. Old mindset: "I failed." New mindset: "That mistake teaches me something."
These situations happen to everyone, but your mindset decides how you feel.
Yes, mindset can make you feel strong, or it can make you feel small.
Choose the mindset that helps you grow.
Now let's teach listeners one of my favorite mindset tools, the new story technique.
This one is really powerful. I use it too.
Here's how it works. When you say something negative about yourself, stop and say, "Wait, that's the old story. What's my new story?" Example, old story: "I can't speak English. I always make mistakes." New story: "I am learning English. I am improving every day." Another example, old story: "I'm too shy to speak." New story: "I'm shy, but I'm brave enough to try." One more, old story: "I'm slow at learning." New story: "I learn at my own pace. Slow learning is still learning."
Ooh, that's so beautiful.
Listeners, your old story does not control you. You can write a new story anytime.
And your new story can change your life.
Let's talk about success. Not big, perfect success, but everyday success.
Yes, success is not just big goals like speak fluently or get a new job.
Success is listening to 10 minutes of English, learning one new word, trying to speak, not giving up, practicing again tomorrow.
Success is small. Success is quiet. Success is daily.
Many people think success is a big jump, but actually, success is a long line of small steps.
And your mindset helps you take those steps.
When you believe you can grow, you try. When you try, you learn. When you learn, you improve. And when you improve, your life changes.
Okay, listeners, let's do a small exercise together. Just relax, breathe, and repeat after me, in your mind or out loud.
Ready? Here we go. I am learning. I am growing. I am improving every day. My mistakes help me learn. I don't need to be perfect. I keep going step by step. My mindset is changing. My life is changing.
Beautiful. Say these every day and you will feel stronger.
Let's also talk about what blocks your mindset, things that stop your growth.
Yes, here are the big ones. Number 1, comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns differently. 2, negative self-talk. Stop telling yourself you're bad. Number 3, expecting perfection. No one is perfect. Number 4, learning too fast and burning out. Slow is strong. Number 5, being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are teachers.
If you avoid these 5 things, your mindset becomes lighter and stronger.
You feel free. You feel hopeful. You feel ready.
Let's imagine something for a moment. Picture the future version of you, maybe 6 months from now, maybe 1 year.
This future you speaks more English, understands more, feels more confident.
They didn't become fluent overnight. They didn't learn 100 words in one day.
They changed their mindset. They practiced small steps. They believed in themselves.
And little by little, their life changed.
And that future you is possible. And it starts with your mindset today.
Can I tell them my honest story?
Yes, please, be real.
Yes. When I first learned French, I cried after my 3rd class.
What? Really?
Yes. I felt stupid. I didn't understand anything. I thought, I'm too slow.
Oh.
But then I changed my mindset. I said, I'm not slow. I'm learning something new. Everything got better.
Let me share too. When I started learning Japanese, I was so embarrassed to speak. So embarrassed.
But you speak now.
Yes, because I changed my mindset from I'm embarrassed to I'm improving.
See, listeners, even teachers struggle. Mindset helps everyone. Dear listener, if you're listening to this right now, it means you want to grow.
It means you care about your future.
It means you are changing your mindset already.
And that is enough. You don't need perfection. You need progress.
Keep going, step by step, day by day. Small actions create big results.
Today we talked about what mindset is, fixed versus growth mindset, how mindset affects English learning, real stories from real learners, why mistakes help you learn, simple daily habits, and how small changes make a big difference.
Remember, change your mindset, change your actions, change your life. Thank you everyone for listening to this episode of the Podcast English channel. We hope today's message gives you strength and motivation.
And remember, we are on this journey together. You're not alone. We are cheering for you.
Please don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe so we can keep helping you every week.
Stay positive, stay curious, and keep growing.
Both of us, see you next time. Bye-bye.